Hey guys, what's up? I am here delivering. I love delivering to this customer. She actually owns a small business. So, you know, for small businesses, we give them a 30% discount. Actually, here in Portmore. She's not home now, so she asked her husband to come and pick up this package for her. But yeah, I was saying I love to support, love to deliver to small businesses because you know small business is what drives economies. Yeah, they're going to tell you about big business and big investment, but actually it is the small business that really drives an economy. So we do our part, you know, we try to support small businesses. As I said, we have that special where we give them a 30% discount on items that they ship. You know, our way of saying thank you. Alright, so for all the small business owners, my partners and I want to say join the family, get the discounts. You guys are growing the economy, so we appreciate working with you guys. Right? So I'm actually waiting on our husband to come and pick up. You know, Portmore already is a pathway where you park your vehicle and then you walk down to your house. I'm waiting on him to come. Yep. Yeah, so you guys who have signed up and you have not used your first free shipping coupon, remember that first item that you ship with us, you're gonna get it shipped for free. So alright guys, thank you for being a part of this delivery. Catch you on the inside.